What's good? Welcome back to another video. These past couple of nights, we've been staying late working super hard on the car. We've been working so much we haven't been able to get footage for you guys.
So a recap of what we've done to the car so far is if you've watched the last video, you would see that we put the frame rail in and we had to drop the subframe for that. But we got the new frame rail welded in, we got the subframe back on, and we were able to drop the engine in. When we first dropped the engine in, we were having a problem with the clutch, but we got it all figured out now. But the one problem we still are having is the frame rail isn't lining up the way that we would like, or it's the way that it's supposed to.
So today we're going to put it back on the frame machine, get that fixed, get it done once and for all. And we decided we're going to fix the dents in the car since we're going to paint most of it. And we already put a little bit of mud in it. And we're going to get that done and see what else we can get to do to the car since while we're at it. And yeah, let's get to it.
If the car is on the ground in the morning, then, well, no, I fucked up. But right now, we're good. Mission complete, guys. Mike was wrong. I didn't lose my car.
So what did Mike tell you not to do it?
He was like, don't do it. He's like, you're gonna lose your car before you put those things on. Like, you're gonna fucking flip your car before you put those things on. It was close, but we didn't flip it.
What's up, dude?
Hey, bro. You know I wouldn't be calling if I didn't fuck up, right?
What?
I said, you know I wouldn't be calling if I didn't fuck up, right?
Whatever.
Anyways,
What's up?
I kind of fucked up.
What?
So I was trying to get the car on the frame machine to jig it up,
Uh-huh.
and one of the tires is off of the frame machine.
How the fuck did you do that?
I was trying to lift it up because the clamps weren't fitting underneath. Like, there wasn't enough clearance.
Right?
So what do you want me to do?
You gotta square it back up on the frame machine.
How do I do that?
With a fucking floor jack.
Okay.
See if there's a scissor jack underneath the bench and jack it up and you gotta push it over.
Okay, I'll try that and see. Hopefully I don't lose an arm or something.
No, you shouldn't.
Okay.
Yep.
No, just kidding, bro. Anyways, I got it jacked up, dude. I got it jigged up.
Oh, okay.
Mike was wrong.
Mike was what?
Mike was wrong.
I told you that.
I know. But I can just leave it jigged up and like put it all the way to the ground?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just, yeah, that's fine. And then we'll measure it real quick and see if we gotta pull it.
Okay, sounds good. I'll just leave it like this and work on the mud then.
Cool.
Okay, cool. Thanks.
Alright, dude.
Bye. Bye.
Yep. Bye.
Bye. That's that.
Stay unless you fucking record. Stop.
That's scary. Hammer?
No. No. Don't fucking go even close to that thing right now, dude. Give it a minute.
Let's give it a minute. Settle in.
So yeah, so you're just putting pressure on the shit. 25 over, so you're 25 past what you need. So you pulled it over 35 mils.
Yeah.
Should be fine. Just grab it up. Release.
Watch your nuts.
Yeah, you're still up.
That's it.
Yeah, after that.
Alright, some more. Huh? $30? Good?
I'd say leave it for sure.
Leave it there for a second. Guys are pulling me. I'm scared.
Tengo miedo.
So how come you only do? I was gonna say, how come you don't hit it with a hammer?
Because I don't want you getting close.
Do the honors, dude.
Oh, you want me to get close?
No, I don't want you getting close.
Can I move this?
That's extremely scary.
Wait, am I in
You
a...
have to move. You move a frame rail that far. How much pressure do you think is on that?
A lot of shit. A lot,
Yeah.
a lot to fuck you up, dude.
Yeah. It's a lot. to fuck you up. Come on, hit it with your vagina. Come on.
Hey, sí, se puede.
I fucked
Like mañana, dude.
bro. Last time I did.
Oh shit, oh shit.
Buddy, let's Alright, watch out, bro. I'm gonna release it, bro. I don't want you getting hurt. Ready?
No, no, wait, 3 more mils.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, 2.
That's inspect.
Your height's off.
Yeah, my head's up. What? It needs to go down?
What the fuck off? 6.
No, that's possible, no? Because what? It's 1 off.
No, 3 off.
3 is inspect.
Yes. Full frame's 5. Unibody's 3. Unibody.
Should I check the impact bar?
Hey,
bro,
lines
it
up.
It lines up, bro. If not,
Hey, bolt it up. Bolt it up.
bolt it up. Right now, right now.
It's better to do it now.
Alright, just so nothing moves when you guys are muscle fucking with it.
Yeah, you're right, huh? I just gotta kind of
Hey, that way it doesn't fall in your face, dude.
like last time.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so basically what we just did is we hooked it up to the frame machine, and as you saw we were pulling it. We hooked it up to the frame rail, and the way that it works is anyways, the way that it works is on the sides the car's lifted up and it's strapped on by the pinch welds, so that way it doesn't move well when you do pull it. And there's a sensor at the bottom that you kind of set your points, and then the computer tells you if it's within specs. And we just did that right now. We pulled it and we hammered it to relieve some stress in the metal and kind of to go back to its original form. Well, kind of close to it. And now we got it set back down. The computer says that it's in specs, so we're good on that. And now the next step is to probably work on some dents and see what else we can do.
Alright guys, we're going to show you guys the end result of what we painted of the door panel trims. So these are going to flow right in here. This is where the trim goes, the one that we painted, and then there's the one in the rear as well that's also in the top end that goes through it. And yeah, we just decided to do white with red splatter because you want to tell us what the red splatter means, you know? The meaning to red splatter paint?
I don't know. That's just how it
It's
is.
just, it's just how many Honda Civics he killed, you know, and other cars, you know. Each of them represents
One strike.
a gap.
A gap.
One
Not
gap
yet.
is one splatter.
Yeah. But all that's left to do on the other ones is just clear coat them and then install them.
Yeah,
But
the
this is what they're
interior-
gonna look like.
Yeah, the interior doesn't really need any
No.
work at all.
No, just
It
those-
yeah, we just decided to do this.
Because they were kind of scratched.
The trims,
so,
yeah, might as well repaint them.
Yeah.
And
Doing
yeah,
something
put the
different.
door panels back on, and everything's pretty much set. Just needs to get cleaned up again because
It's dirty.
yeah, this is a dirty car right now.
Yeah, it's already.
Yeah. But catch us on the next one. We're gonna probably paint it.
We'll probably end up welding the core support first and the wheel housing. Maybe take a little bit, little video.
Yeah, the wheels over here, the quarter panels already rolled because the new wheels for sure needed it.
Yeah.
And the fronts are actually gonna get rolled as well.
Yeah,
too.
we need to roll them as well. But we did do some mud work as well. On
Oh,
this.
oh yeah, and also the wing was kind of bad shape too, so
Fading.
that one's gonna get repainted
Yeah.
as well.
But all that's left to do is finish the mud work, the core support, and then paint it, and then put it back together.
Yeah, nothing.
And that's it.
And put the wheels.
Yeah.
Which you guys have not seen yet until the reveal, hopefully. Which you guys gotta stay tuned, hopefully. And yeah. Got anything else to say?
No, that's it. I'm not low enough though. That's what
Yeah.
I can tell you for right now.
Yeah.
I'm not low enough. We didn't scrape.
Yeah, we haven't. We honestly took it to a little test drive around here, and
It didn't scrape.
it didn't scrape yet. But I'm
maybe-
telling him because we don't have the bumper or nothing, because I don't know how low the front end is gonna sit. Oh, and then there's also side skirts
Oh
too.
yeah, the side skirts.
You
on
forgot
the-
you got
I
side
forgot
skirts,
there's
yeah.
side skirts.
There's side skirts on the car as well. That
So maybe I
Gotta
am
get
low
put on.
enough. We'll see though.
we'll see until the reveal, because we honestly don't even
We
know
don't
how
know.
the
Yeah, I
reveal's
don't
gonna
know.
be. But yeah, like, subscribe,
Comment,
comment.
and we'll catch you on the next one.
Das.